back to the channel. Today and into this evening, I've just been out here in the shop getting some parts cleaned up, getting some things painted up, and I'm pretty happy about the way this is coming along for the most part. I'm looking forward to getting it started and running and getting videos out driving it. So for those of you who are watching, thanks for putting up and chugging through these videos of me just randomly putting them out there with part-to-part assembly. But it takes time to get it done. Each part has its own unique issues, whether it's the gas tank being rusty with pinholes or rust on all the parts, really. Cleaning the rust off, getting them down to steel, finding the hardware. As I took it apart, I found that some nuts and bolts either broke or stripped or were just in too bad a condition to reuse. So you get to where you want to assemble a part and put on it, like the oil canister, and then you realize what nuts and bolts you don't have that you need. So you got to stop and get to a hardware and get those parts. And for those of you who have done a restoration of any type, you understand this, but this is my first one, really, other than the M416 trailer I did last year. And that was the same thing. Is I understand why these projects, you hear about people talking about how this project took them so many years, and I understand, because everything takes time, and you don't always have time just to pour into it. You can't, get out there 8 hours a day every day and knock this out in a week. It takes a little bit of time here and there, and it's a lot of fun doing it. There's some frustrations, kind of like golf and bowling. There's frustrations, but in the end, it's fun to do. So I'm enjoying this, and I really wish it could move along faster, because I really want to be out driving this thing and getting videos out on trails and driving into town, ice cream runs or parts runs or trail rides, whatever. But in the meantime, until we get to that point, thanks for watching all my little videos. Hopefully you'll subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, it's free, so why not? You'll get the notifications of when the next videos come out. Hit the like button. That helps the channel. But yeah, I got the gas tank done and ready to go in pretty much. I got the manifold sprayed with high temp paint. I got the intake manifold cleaned up, all rust free now. I'm running into a little issue with my timing cover, right about down in here. It turns out I have an L head. It turns out the timing cover is off an F head. So I'm having a little trouble getting the pulley on. It doesn't really fit very well with the wrong timing cover. Not sure what I'm going to do about that yet. In the end, I'm probably going to have to pull it off, get an L head timing cover put on there, but I don't know if it's adaptable to make it work or not. I don't have that much experience with this to know if I can safely modify it or whatever. So I'm probably going to have to pull that back off and get a replacement. There's a few parts here and there that I still need to get. Alternator bracket, because I am switching to alternator and 12 volt or radiator. But other than that, it's just kind of continuing just piece by piece, putting it together, and just keeping in mind that every step is a step forward. So every little bit is progress, and look forward to really getting to the point where I can fire it up and then getting it running, and then after that getting it street legal and licensed and driving it again. So like I said, if you like these videos, please subscribe, give us a like, comment. I like to see the comments. I see people giving me likes. I get a few dislikes, I guess. Not sure why. Maybe because they know I don't know what I'm doing, but that's all right too. So yeah, give me comments. I'll respond to them best I can. And any advice, tips, I appreciate those. And thanks for watching.